everybody, thank you for watching. For those of you guys that are new, my name is Carly, and today I'm going to be trying out this magnetic face mask. What? I have been in bed sick for the past 2 days, and it's currently around 8:30 at night, but I pulled myself out of bed to film a new video for you guys, and I feel like I sound weird because like it hurts so bad when I swallow. But anyways, I have been noticing my skin has been a little bit bad as of lately, which I feel like I kind of jinxed myself. I don't remember if it was my last video, no, it was probably 2 videos ago, where I was like, I don't really have any pimples right now, and then my face just went crazy. I tried out a couple new serums, and I had bumps all over my face, like my entire face. Luckily, a lot of them went away, but I do have some breakouts. Plus, like I said, I've been feeling pretty sick, so my skin is just kind of under the weather. So I figured I would try out a new face mask today. So I'm gonna read what it says it's gonna do because I don't really know much about magnetic masks. Just the idea of it sounds really, really cool, so I wanted to try it. But it says, this combative mask is formulated with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants. Carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth, makeup-ready canvas. So let's get right into this video. I received this mask in a PR package from e.l.f. and it was actually right after I did my last mask video. So I had ordered a couple different ones. I ordered the bubble mask, so I was kind of torn between the two, but this one was kind of calling my name tonight, so I figured I would try this one. But I just wanted to let you guys know they're not paying me in any way to make this video. I just genuinely want to try it. This mask retails for $24, so let's see if it even works. So it says that it's 1.76 ounces and it's antioxidant powered and it is formulated without parabens, sulfates, I don't even know how to say this, phthalates. This is what it looks like. It actually smells kind of good. Kind of smells like oranges a little bit, which is nice, so I'm excited about that. I didn't think it would actually have a smell. And then it also comes with this, which is what's gonna help take off the mask. I'm guessing that these go over this to protect this from getting dirty, so let's first apply the mask. I'm gonna use whatever's left on the cap first. And I'm gonna put a generous amount all over my face. It smells really, really good, which is nice. So obviously you want to avoid your eye area. It's kind of tingling my skin right now. I'm gonna try it, but honestly I might be allergic. Shoot, I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to tingle. Oh well. I'll know if I have an allergic reaction, so let's pray that I don't die from this mask. I love using face masks when I'm not feeling good because I just feel like my skin gets super dull and dry. So I don't feel as tingly as I felt when I first applied it, so that's a good sign. There was one time, but it was probably like, not even joking, 15 years ago, I tried a mask and it was stinging so bad. So I was like, I don't know if that means it's really working really well or what, but I decided to wash it off because it was like almost unbearable and my entire face was bright red. So I was definitely allergic to it. I think I'm fine with this though because it's been sitting on my face and I'm okay right now. So there's about that much left, which is good. I could probably get, I'm thinking like 4 or 5, maybe 6 uses out of this. So it says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes because I always like to do like the max time suggested. I feel like it works better in my opinion. So I'm gonna go wash this makeup brush and I will see you guys in 10 minutes. So it has been about 15 minutes. I had to order some food because I was starving. So I'm gonna take one of these little things out of the bag. I'm gonna put it over the magnet And I wanted to keep this zoomed in close so you guys can really see what's going on. I want to get my mirror close too because I'm actually really excited to see this. So from what I think is going to happen, it's going to stick to this. So let's try it. Dum dum dum. You guys, I'm not even like, can you see this? I didn't even touch my skin with it. Okay, I'm excited now. That is freaking cool. Look at that. Okay. So now what I'm wondering is, does it all just stick or do I have to wipe this off? So I'm gonna do another piece just so you can see. Oh my God, if you hold it close, you could feel it. This is the coolest thing I've ever done in my life, honestly. I'm not even touching my skin at this point because there's like a huge glob. I'm amazed. I'm honestly amazed. I'm just confused how it's not like wiping back on my skin because there's a lot on here right now. You guys can see there's a lot. So I can't get this rest off. I'm gonna go wash my face really quick. But first I'm gonna zoom in on this because this is really cool. So this is what it looks like. How cool is that? So I just used like a washcloth and some cold water to wipe off the remaining of the mask. I don't have any lotion or anything on it. So my skin definitely feels super, super soft. It's not irritated. Which is good because I was a little bit worried about that. As far as pore size, I don't know, I guess my skin feels a little bit tighter. I think overall it did a really nice job. It smells delicious, like oranges and nice and fresh, like I said. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know which masks you guys want me to try in the future because the last one was really fun, which I will link for you guys here, and this one was hands down the coolest mask I've ever tried. But yeah, I really enjoyed trying this out today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to go put some serums and all of that good stuff on and drink some tea and get some rest because I do not feel good. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.